Pressure producing gusty winds on Tampa Bay here this April 7th, 2026. Gusts up to 40 miles per hour with this low pressure that's just off Florida's east coast, generating quite a bit of wind. Uh, the impacts are similar to what we would see in a tropical storm, but the low pressure is cold core, so it's not tropical, it's more of a frontal low pressure driven by a difference between hot and cold air at the surface as opposed to a tropical cyclone, which is all warm. So yeah, we're here in St. Petersburg, Tampa Bay, watching some good gusty winds up to 40 miles per hour. Some windsurfers, really, kite surfers here, really loving this windy weather, and it actually feels beautiful and refreshing. We had several days where we hit the 90s very early in the year, so this 74 degrees and windy weather is beautiful. But you can see the wind on the water, the low clouds, a few squalls of light rain. So Tampa Bay storm chaser here, looking at this light rain squall and these pleasant winds. So it's really beautiful. It's quite a beautiful day. Yes, it's beautiful if you need a break from the warm weather. It's always fascinating to watch these fast-moving low clouds. Truly